Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this here is their new TS28. Now I was sent this flashlight kit directly from Wurkkos. Comes in this box. Now the version I have here has the SFT70.2 LED and cool white. So let's start off here with the specs. As you can see here, 3200 lumens is the highest output that this can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Always nice to get new lights from Wurkkos. Now this here is a reminder, readme. There is a protection piece either on the tail end or on the head of the light. A little welcome note there. Here's the user manual. Front and back. Multi-language. And looks like we've got one O-ring and one lanyard in here. One USB Type-C charging cable. Type-C to Type-C. Let's get the light out of the package here. Wow, this is nice. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. I like the size on this. Definitely for a casual carry. You do have a clip on here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. You can table stand that if you wish. It's got the gray bezel on here. A little gray ring around the button there. Now the button does stick out past the body there just a little bit. Now I really like this body style because it's really able to grip it well, even with gloves. Now it is a flat black finish, and the machining and finish on this is nice. Now I believe this is magnetic, so you can hands-free it. It's nice to be able to hold its own weight. It does have the battery in it right now. It's not going anywhere. Nice and strong. Hands-free use. That's what I do with my lights all the time. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the charging port. Cover fits tight in there, so that's good. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at that deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Luminus SFT70.2 LED. It's going to be my first one, I believe. So I'll be super excited to get my hands on a flashlight with this LED in it. There's another one coming out too, so it'll be interesting to see that in future lights. Now the style and design on this is nice as well. Feels rugged. Does have some heat sinking here on the head of the light, but not much. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this open. There's the lanyard hole there. Let me show you the battery that it comes with. There's the protection piece here. I save these. I never know when I'm going to store light. Here's the battery that's included. 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell, but it's unprotected. That means you can use any 21700 cell in this light. Tail spring. Pretty heavy duty on there. And looks like there's a head spring as well. Not sure, maybe this will come off. Yep, it does. I'll show that to you next then. It's got greased O-rings and a little bit on the threads. There's the spring on the head. There we go. Now let's go ahead and get this back together. Hopefully there's enough battery level on it to go through the UI. Now let's go through the UI. We're going to turn on the light just like that. I like that W, that looks good. That is a battery level indicator as well. Press down and hold, or you can do them individually. Let's take a look here at the beam. Oh man, that's going to be really close to a combination, but it does have a really nice super focused area here. A little bit of bleeding around the edge of that, but look at the cutoff. Man, that's going to be really close. Combination beam, man, they're my all-time favorite. Now from off, if you want to get the lowest light output, you can do so. Let's take a look here at the LED in there. Pretty amazing. So now let's go ahead and go up again from here. Now if you want on any level, you can double click to get the 3200 lumens. Man, that's a nice beam. That's going to be a lot of fun. Now if you do want to get the special mode, 1, 2, 3 will get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash, and it is very distracting. Triple click that again, will get you SOS. Triple click that again will now get you beacon. And then one click on that returns you back to the UI. This does have memory mode. So if you turn it off, turn it back on, it memorizes the last mode. Now this is blinking, so it's probably getting low on the battery. See if turbo changes it. Interesting. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple and easy to operate this. My favorite types. Rugged build quality and construction. No problems here. Wurkkos makes some of the best budget-friendly lights. There's a lot of companies out there fighting. The budget war has been going on for many years now, and there's no sign that it's letting up. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this TS28 outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos TS28. I'm going to get started on the lowest light output, good battery power. There's the beam on the fence. Playing around with this earlier, and this LED is amazing. I'll go ahead and show you here at this light level how well this does. Got someone walking in the park there, got their lights on. I don't know what's going on, but sorry about that. We're going to go ahead and go up to the next level. We'll go over here. Famous Tree of Life, 138 feet. Look at that. Impressive. 38 feet here, and 65 feet to this tree. Now, if you need some information on my testing area, how far things are, go ahead and click the link below my videos. Let's go next level here. Spill is starting to come alive. Large hot spot. .238 feet there, making at this light level. Impressive. There's the playground across the park there, it's making that one, and that one as well. Tree line, fence line. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Spill is excellent on this light. Go back over here, fence line. This thing is, this LED is impressive. Nice to see they're always improving, making those trees way out there. 238 feet, 138 feet to this famous Tree of Life. Fall is coming. Colors are changing. Yeah, making that first palm tree and the second one. Wow. Nice. So now let's go ahead and do turbo. Now we'll do it on the palm trees. See how it does. Nice. And Wurkkos has got an excellent flashlight here, performing This LED is something else. Can't miss a target with this light beam. This light beam is going to do really well. Look at that. There's the playground there. Tree line, fence line. It's got good turbo run times on this thing. Winded over here. Excellent performance. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice combination beam on here. This LED is impressive. It's my first time testing one flashlight, that is, with one in it. I've got to take my hats off to them. LEDs are really starting to make a change here. They're also getting more efficient as well, but still being able to produce a lot of light output with less heat. That's impressive. Hopefully battery technology will hurry up and catch up. But in any case, the battery that was blinking on this the battery level was right at around 52%. So I charged it before I went outside, so it was 100%. I've got to take my hats off to this. This light is nice. It works well. The battery here that's included is more than powerful enough. You've got extra on hand. You can swap it out. You don't have to worry about charging it. I usually carry 5 or 6 batteries with me when I do the night shots, because I'm out there for usually about an hour, sometimes a little bit longer. But in any case, you can charge this on the go. Casual carry this. This is not a big light, not heavy, so it should be easy for just about any type of situation you want. Camping, walking the dog, any of that type of stuff, or more. The UI being super simple, that's my favorite type. Really is a nice quality light. Hands-free it, using it, a metal surface. You can place it on there and be able to hands-free it, point it to wherever you want, especially for emergencies. Keep this in your vehicle. Well, I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this TS28 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video in the description box, and I will also have a special discount code there as well, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Wurkkos to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.